Hello guys, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Kaadas Smart Home. In this video, I have a S500 Kaadas door lock. Using this model of door lock, you can control it by PIN code, card, fingerprint, in addition to mechanical key. Stay with me to have a closer look at this model. By the way, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button to see more videos about smart devices. Stay with me.